Hey everybody, what's going on? Alan here, back at the Gibson Garage YouTube channel. We are working on the truck still. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is my 94 C1500 that I am trying to get going for the car show September 24th at the Oroville Salmon Festival. It's the Gold Rush car show. Be there or not, it's cool. I'll probably record some stuff. But so far, this is what I've got on it. It's an all polyurethane bushing kit, front to back. I've got the cowl tracks on here for better traction. Rims and tires, of course. I've got the new grill. I've got headlights, taillights to go on. The quick release steering wheel is pretty neat. I'm particularly proud of that one. And I'm particularly proud of the core support. I've got the core support hole cut out larger, and I custom made these brackets. And then the big dog project right here is installing this rack and pinion. We're waiting on parts to finish this up. If you've already seen my other videos though, you know about that. If you haven't seen those videos, go check that out. Today, we are working on getting the fan shroud hooked up. I got a universal fan shroud from Summit Racing. I think it's gonna work pretty good. Now it's pretty straightforward. We'll take some measurements, make sure they're all lined up, but this is pretty much where they're gonna be. I'll mark 4 holes, drill 4 holes, and screw them together with the hardware they supplied. They also gave us some brackets here, so we'll see if we can use those to install the shroud onto the core support. And that's gonna be the harder part, is I've got a flange on top and bottom of this thing. I just need to find a way to hook it to this. So I've already got an idea. Hang in there with me. This might be a short video. Okay, well there's one side, one corner. I just got to duplicate that on the other side and then we'll figure out the bottom. Okay, that side's screwed in now too. And this is only meant to be temporary. I'm sure I'll come along one day and find a better option or something. Maybe not, maybe I'll just leave it. As far as the bottom goes, I tilted it forward and drew a line, and we're just gonna make a hook basically. It's gonna tuck behind the railing and that'll hold it from falling out. So I'm just gonna make a hook basically that'll tuck behind the rail, keep it from flopping out this way, and these top mounts will keep it from coming up. So that'll be it. I'm gonna mark my 2 holes here for my 2 bracket. Just gotta drill it. If you want. Okay. I just gotta cut holes. Right, I got the fan screwed on. Boom. Gonna put a little screw there. Ta-da! I have a fan shroud, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's pretty nice. Not bad. Got it all done in half a day. That was the easy part. What I'm dreading is the switch panel, putting in those switches for the fans and now the water pump. So that'll be fun. That'll be the next video. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much. You guys are helping out a lot. I have, what, like 5 days left now? Got to get to the car show September 24th. We are turning and burning, ladies and gentlemen, but we are getting there. If you wouldn't mind, please like this video if you like it, if you want to see more stuff like it. Apparently that thumbs up means a lot more than anything else. But subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notified when these videos are coming out. And if you want to support your boy, hit that super thanks button. I'd really appreciate it. Really need to get this lift up in the air, and that's the first thing that you guys' money would be going to, is getting that lift up in the air, and I can start pumping out a bunch more videos for you guys. Until the next time, guys, have a good one.